I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I promise to do my best to treat everyone fairly. I promise to do my best to be kind to everyone, even if they're not like me. If I see someone being hurt or bullied, I will tell a teacher. Everyone should be able to feel safe and happy in school. I want our school to be no place for hate.
Did you know Yellowstone National Park is mostly in Wyoming, but parts of it spread into Montana and Idaho too? Yellowstone features dramatic canyons, rivers, forests, hot springs, and geysers. The most famous geyser is Old Faithful. It is also home to hundreds of animals, including bears, wolves, bison, elk, and antelope. It is a famous place for geothermal water. Hey All-Stars! In April, the Specials team hosted a panel on respect for 4th and 5th graders in an assembly. We were so proud to have 4th and 5th grade students, as well as staff, talk about their lives' examples of respect and what we expect to see here at Hoffman Boston. Soon, we will be having a panel on respect for 2nd and 3rd grade in an assembly. Consider what respect looks like in your life and what you expect to see in your grade level. Be sure to share this with your class and, as always, model it for others. A respectful community is a healthy and well community. Hey All-Stars! Next week is Spirit Week. The theme this year is our wonderful multicultural community. On Monday, May 9th, you can bring snacks to share with your classroom that come from your culture or as one of your favorite snacks. Be sure they are packaged and peanut-free. On Tuesday, Color Our World Beautiful Day, we are celebrating by dressing up in lots of different colors. You can wear as many colors as you want or dress in your favorite color. Wednesday, May 11th is Flowers Day. You can wear floral clothing, a flower crown, you could put a flower on your shirt, or you can even bring flowers to the staff at Hoffman Boston and decorate your classroom. Thursday is Global Music Day. There's going to be a playlist of music from around the world to give you brain breaks throughout the day. And finally, Friday is All-Star Pride Clothing Day. You can wear clothing that shows your cultural pride, or you can wear all-star colors, blue and yellow. For more information, check the Hoffman Boston homepage. Hey All-Stars, we are so excited to partner with the Hoffman Boston PTA to celebrate Teacher Appreciation Week. On Wednesday, we know that teachers help children blossom. Bring a flower, a real one, or a paper one that you've drawn, and give it to someone at school who teaches you. Remember, please do not pick the flowers outside of the school building. Those are for the bees. On Thursday, we're going to celebrate teachers with a shout out. You can have your family send a positive email, a message on Twitter, or even get a teacher to do a peace out video with you and submit it on Seesaw. Finally, on Friday, we know that all-star teachers shine brightly. Celebrate your teacher by giving them something sparkly or yellow to remind them that they shine. One awesome idea is to make them a piece of art. Thank you for celebrating with us, All-Stars, and we're so happy to partner with the Hoffman Boston PTA.
Wait, Shiloh!
Xavier, can I help you?
Yeah, can I go to the bathroom?
Sure, here's the hall pass for the bathroom. Thank you, Xavier. Please walk.
Okay.
Oh, yes, Shiloh. Yes, you may have a hall pass. Please walk and remember to wash your hands. Oh, Emmanuel, can I help you?
Can I go to the bathroom?
It looks like my hall passes are all gone, so you'll have to wait till one comes back.
I wasn't eating a paper.
Thank you, Xavier, for following the rules. Go take a seat. Thank you, Shiloh, for following the rules. Emmanuel, the boys' pass is back. You may go to the restroom now, too. What a great job.
Oh, shoot! I have to use the bathroom. Hold on. Okay. Mr. C, do you want my bathroom pass?
You need to go to the bathroom?
Yes.
Just so happens that I do have a bathroom pass for you. Thanks for asking. Did you bring it back to me when you were done?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Where are you actually? Okay, keep jumping. Jump. Just until you made it. Jump. Jump.
You need the bathroom also? Well, just so happens I have a girl's bathroom pass, and it's for you. You're welcome. Bring it back to me when you're done.
Can I use the bathroom?
You can, but not until someone comes back, because I don't have a pass. So if you'll just wait a minute or two.
It's okay. Okay, Timmy. We'll call you in 5 minutes, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Thanks, Kamari. Appreciate it. Excellent. Thank you very much.
Mr. C,
Yes,
can I
me.
go to the bathroom?
Oh, your timing is good. I just got the pass back. Here you go. Wear it, and then when you're done, bring it back to me, okay? Oh, that's right. Now we have it. So now, there you go. There's your girl's bathroom pass. Thank you.